What's up guys, it's Amanda here, and I'm going to be doing another video. I know I already gave How by Moon a shout out, but she sent me some gifts. And when this loads, I'll show you, so I'm just going to pause the video until this loads. Be right back. Alright, hey guys, I'm back. Oh, perfect timing. Anyway, it finally loaded. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing I'm going to be making an Arctic wolf. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to make it, and I'm going to ask guys what you think. Alright, I'm not good at making animals, so this is what I came up with. It is not good. I'm just going to make another one, and I'm going to pause the video and I'll be right back. You guys just tell me which one you like. Alright, well, I got this outfit. Anyone have a pink? Okay, well, there's this animal. I'm going to pause the video and be right back. And then I have this one. This one I really love. So yeah, those are the ones that I told me to pick. For now, I'm just going to use this one because I personally love that one. So yeah. So yeah. Like and subscribe. Bye.